They say a clean and a neat space, which means a home, is a blessing. But often we don't have such place. So look at my bedroom. It's a big mess right at the moment. So let's clean it up. First of all, remove all the clutter. This is a special cleaning solution. I made it with 2 part water, 1 part vinegar, and a few drops of jasmine essential oil. With the help of this solution, let's wipe out all the spaces where we keep our things. Now let's move on to the bed. Remove all the pillows and clutter from bed. Put a knot like this in each corner of the bedsheet so it won't come out easily. Fresh sheets always helps you to give a comfortable and fresh feeling. Now it's time for the bedroom shelves. Wipe it out and keep your items, only the essential items, in a neat and a pleasant way. Finally, sweep the floor. Always go for a minimal look. And now, look at our masterpiece. A clutter-free space keeps you stress-free. It's not from me, I read it on a book. So happy organizing and have a good day.